In this video, I'm going to show you 6 ways that you can make money online just using your voice. Now, the great part with each of these methods is that they can provide a full-time income if you are consistent and persistent enough. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn which one of these methods work for you. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, so one of the best opportunities out there is to just simply use your voice. And the great thing with using your voice is you can start with just your smartphone and then upgrade over time. You don't have to spend a bunch of money on fancy equipment. If you have a face for radio, this is going to be just for you, and different ways to make money. So the first thing that you can do is you can hop over to a website called Voices.com. The cool thing with Voices.com is you can sign up to become talent. If you look all the way down here at the bottom of the screen, you can see is a marketplace, I should say, for talent. So if we click on here on how to find work, you'll simply go out and create samples, and people will hire you if they find that you have a voice that they're looking for. You can work on individual jobs on a case-by-case basis, or you can actually find long-term contract work right through this website. This website has been extremely profitable for a number of people. As you can see here, 42,000 companies posting more than 5,000 jobs each month. So there is lots of opportunity. So you could go over to voices.com and get started today. You want to make sure that you are providing the best writing sample possible, but I think this could be an opportunity for you. So that's #1. #2 is actually with ACX. ACX will allow you to narrate books that are found over on Amazon. So as you know, Amazon has both physical hardcover books and they have audiobooks. So what you would do is you would be a voiceover artist for the audiobooks, and you can make money in 2 ways. You can actually make money reoccurring with royalties, or you can get paid a one-time fee. Once again, you'll simply find different jobs or gigs that are over here, and you will apply reading a sample that they have provided for you, or you can provide your own sample and you can simply make money. Now, again, this is free to start. You just simply go through the process and you can potentially make money, again, reoccurring or a one-time charge. But I've done ACX and it's actually not that difficult, and it's a great way to earn passive income, because if you read a book once and you have the royalty set, you can get paid over and over again. But that's just one way. #3 is with Fiverr. You could find short-term gigs over on Fiverr and make pretty good money. As you can see here, these people are charging anywhere from $10 to $30 for simple voice-over gigs. The great thing about this is the people that you work with are actually going to provide the scripts for you, and you can make money. You can set your gigs for as little as 30 seconds or as long as 5 minutes if that's what you want, and you have the potential to make money. One tip, if you are going to get started with Fiverr, as you can see here, there are over 20,000 services available. What I recommend that you do is actually go over to buyer requests. So I'm just going to switch over to selling real quick, and if we go to more, you're going to see buyer requests. You'll have to create a voiceover gig first and then check out the buyer request. Here will be a list of offers that people have created that are custom made. You can apply to these, and this is going to drastically narrow down your competition. So instead of competing with tens of thousands of people, you come over to the buyer request and you apply to 10 of them per day. You're going to start getting gigs. In fact, that's how I actually use Fiverr. I don't usually just hire people based on I don't hire people based on what they've got listed. I'll do a custom request with a custom price and make money. But Fiverr can be a good opportunity for short-term gigs. You'll have to constantly jump on the hamster wheel in order to find income, but this is a good opportunity. This is a good opportunity because a lot of people are trying to do YouTube cash cow channels or YouTube automation, where they hire someone to do all of the different work for their YouTube channel and they make money. So what you can do is you can make sure that you put in YouTube automation or YouTube cash cow, and you can make money that way. But Fiverr is a good opportunity. One of my favorite ways is to simply just narrate your own YouTube videos. If we look at this, top trending, they have 5.4 million subscribers and they never show their face. What they're doing is they're either finding video clips or B-roll that's already on the internet, or they're just taking still images and zooming in and out. For example, if we take a look at this one, 10 rarest, they're taking still images, they're taking photos, and they're zooming in and out and back and forth. Now you can make money a number of ways with your YouTube channel. You can make money with the ad revenue if you join the YouTube Partner Program. And with the YouTube Partner Program, you need 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. You're going to get paid anytime someone clicks on an ad that plays during one of your videos. They click on the link, you get paid, and you make money. You can also make money with affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing is simply recommending or selling other people's products and services. And the way that works is you're going to go out and find affiliate programs that are congruent or in line with your target audience and make money. One of the most common voiceover type YouTube channels are like movie channels. For example, we'll type in The Watchmen, just like this, and people are doing narration of The Watchmen. They're explaining it. They're talking about the pros and cons. They're giving critical analysis. And you can make money in a number of ways. One, with affiliate marketing, as I mentioned. So you could find products over on Amazon, maybe the Watchmen DVD set, maybe the clothing or apparel, put links to those products in the description of your video. Then you can get paid. You can also start a Patreon. That's pretty popular. You can also get paid with the YouTube Partner Program, potentially, if you do this the right way. So there are a number of ways to make money simply with your YouTube channel, and you never have to show your face. For example, if we go to that top trending, according to Social Blade, it's an estimate of how much people are making per month. That YouTube channel that I showed you called Top Trending, they make approximately $12,000 per month, and they don't show their face. And as I mentioned, they just zoom in and out on pictures, or they find B-roll online. Another way that you can make money without ever showing your face is creating online courses. Now, I've created a bunch of online courses, and it's not that difficult. It's surprisingly easy, and you can get started with the basics. You can use your microphone, or you can use your smartphone to create a course in anything, and then you can actually do a slide deck. It's really easy. In fact, one of my first courses that I created is a slide deck. Now, I had a camera, so I was able to put myself in the bottom of the screen, but one of my first videos is just a slideshow. I just go through, talk about the strengths and weaknesses. I even show people how to do a few things, but for the most part, it's all a slideshow and a voiceover. I also do some screen recording, but it's actually really easy to do, and you never have to show your face if you don't want to. And the final way that you can make money is by starting a podcast. Now, a podcast is just basically you talking into a microphone about a certain topic. Now, there are thousands of podcasts that are out there. There's new podcasts popping up every day, but there's an opportunity for you to create content, audio content, an audio adventure about a niche, a topic, an idea, and you can make money in a number of ways. One, you can get paid with a sponsorship. You can actually get paid by Anchor. Anchor's not going to pay you a lot, but you can get paid by Anchor. You can get paid with affiliate marketing. You can put your own merch in the description of your podcast. You can get paid by sponsorships, brand deals. There's a number of ways that you can get paid. It's much like YouTube. You could start a YouTube channel for your podcast and even make more money. So there's just a number of ways. To recap real quick, we could do Voices.com. We can do Amazon ACX. We could do Fiverr for YouTube automation. We could start a YouTube channel. We could create an online course, or you can start a podcast. Now that you know 6 different ways to make money online using your voice, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.